on Africa's history. Another newspaper mentioned a very interesting exhibition of amazing artwork from a rich culture that is barely mentioned in Western history books. So you can see the impact that these wonderful artifacts from Ife have created in the minds of our Swedish friends. I must commend the Yoruba Union, Adiola specifically, who played a prominent role at the opening ceremony of the exhibition by putting on wonderful cultural dances on the occasion. They attracted the attention and admiration of all the Swedes that were present, and they continue to support it throughout the exhibition. The exhibition, as I said, has moved to Gothenburg for another 5 months. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, as we prepare to enjoy the festivities planned for today, I must comment on the difficult situation facing our country at this time. You've all noticed in the news the kidnap of innocent children, senseless killing, no justification for the unrestrained disregard for the sanctity of human life. The problem of Boko Haram in Nigeria is not a Nigerian affair alone, but is part of a movement whose philosophy is a menace to Africa and the entire world. We have Al-Shabaab in Somalia, the Taliban in Afghanistan. And interestingly, I read an article in the International Tribune yesterday, and one of the commentators mentioned that Boko Haram makes the Taliban look like a bunch of school children. It's the viciousness of these people, slaughtering innocent children. No matter what the politics is involved for this quest for power, it should not involve innocent children. It's a terrible thing. We thank God for the support of our friends from the UK, the French, the British, as I said, and the Americans. And by the grace of God, they will be tracked down and this menace will be eliminated. I just want to say in closing that our compatriots here abroad, please, you should not lose hope. You should not lose hope. The very week that we had this problem was the very week that the Nigerian economy was rebased as the largest economy in Africa. And I do know that some of the comments from our people was that, is it trickling down? But I think what you have to look at, yes, there are some inequalities. There are some inequalities, but it does not take away from the fact that Nigeria's economy is the biggest in Africa. It is $500 billion economy. And the reality is that Nigerians are the creators of that, generating that wealth. You've got new sectors coming in, the service sector, agricultural sector, manufacturing is increasing. You've got the Nollywood contribution. We have vibrant people in Nigeria, entrepreneurs that are contributing. And it is their drive, their ability, and their efforts that have generated that increase in the economy. And I want to appeal to all of our compatriots here. Don't give up on hope. Continue to keep your links and continue to pray for the country, and all will be well by the grace of God. I thank you all, especially Adiola and the Yoruba group. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the support of your fellow Nigerians here. Please keep up the good work. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. For those of us that have the list of the agendas in front of the table, the number 10 item, try to move it a little bit. The next on the item is the dance. And like they said in our culture, like when it comes to dance, we let the elders lead. So it will be honor, sir, if you can lead the dance. So those that are interested in dancing with the ambassador can just step forward and dance. So, Mr. DJ. DJ, please. Mr. DJ, spin.
Thank you very much, Abiola Amos. Thank you very much, my engineer. When I had